For over 150 years, the Suez Canal has been the lifeblood of Egypt's economy. In August 2014, President Sisi launched the Suez Canal Expansion Project. A mega development to construct a new 72-kilometer-long canal which will allow for two-way traffic. The project will increase the canal's capacity and will maintain the Suez Canal's position as a major maritime trade route against increased competition globally. This audacious project is on schedule for completion and has been entirely funded by the Egyptian people. Over 64 billion Egyptian pounds were raised through investment certificates, a true testament to the country's resilience and its willingness to invest in its future. The new Suez Canal will provide the springboard for a major economic transformation that will begin with the development of the Suez Canal Zone. The SC Zone is strategically located astride the world's major shipping lanes and seeks to take advantage of Egypt's proximity to major global markets and the abundance of land and human resources to develop one of the world's most dynamic trade, logistics and manufacturing centers. The SC Zone provides investors with a competitive platform to access over 1.6 billion customers globally under preferential trade agreements. We believe that we can build on our strong ties with our existing trading partners to develop further areas of opportunities and increase Egypt's share of international trade. With a large and growing population of nearly 90 million people, and with rising living standards, the domestic market also provides strong opportunities for investment. Our vision is to transform the SC Zone into a world-class global logistics and industrial processing center that serves global markets and to create sustainable and high-quality jobs for the Egyptian people. Our aim is to create 1 million new jobs over the coming 15 years. The SC Zone offers investors opportunities across all economic sectors. In the maritime sector, there are many opportunities available in the development of ports and container terminals, logistics and distribution centers, as well as shipbuilding and ship repair. The outlook for the manufacturing sector is equally promising, with opportunities in a wide range of industries such as pharmaceuticals, food processing, automotive, textiles and consumer electronics. With a fast-flowing ICT industry in Egypt, the SC Zone is the right place for new businesses and initiatives to grow and utilize the Egyptian talent pool. The SC Zone is also well placed for the development of renewable and clean energy projects. To achieve our vision, the SC Zone will create a new investor-friendly environment which will be a blueprint for future development nationally. Investors will benefit from a true one-stop shop with highly efficient and streamlined procedures to ensure smooth business operations. In developing our regional strategy, we have considered the main development nodes along the Suez Canal. These are linked to Cairo via a series of expressways. A new expressway and road and rail tunnels will also provide access to East Port Said, with international links provided by Cairo Airport and potentially Port Said Airport. Within the SC Zone, a number of existing large-scale industrial sites can form a basis for future development, such as 10th of Ramadan Industrial City and the proposed new administrative centre. The primary development centres lie along the Suez Canal corridor. In the south, the industrial complex at Ain Sukhna will build on the existing economic zone and port. In the north, East Port Said Port will grow as a global transshipment hub supported by a large new logistics and industrial area. Links to the interior will be enhanced with the extension of the inland ring road to Ain Sokhna and to a major new dry port near 10th of Ramadan, as well as by rail to East Port Said. Cross-canal connections are also under construction to open up the Sinai region. Over the coming 15 years, 3 major economic nodes will have evolved, linked to Cairo and each other by high-quality transport infrastructure. In the longer run, the development emphasis will shift to east of the canal and along the inland ring road. SC Zone is not only about investments and jobs. It is also about integrated, sustainable communities where people want to live and work. The private sector will play an important role in supporting the development of these communities. Finally, the General Authority for the Suez Canal Economic Zone has the support of the government, the business community, and the people of Egypt. We are looking for partners to join us. We have listened to stakeholders from all parts of Egyptian society and the international community, and believe we have created a framework in which all parties can participate meaningfully in ushering in a new and prosperous future for Egypt.